Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you've been watching my videos recently, you should know I'm all about that live good life, all right? The live good business opportunity is definitely one of the best opportunities out there. I mean, it's dope, right? But, all right, but there is another opportunity out there that I do rock with, all right? And a lot of people don't know about it. A lot of people don't talk about it, but I'm like, yo, this is a sleeper, right? This is definitely another income stream that you could add, you know what I'm saying, to your live good business or whatever else you got going on. It's like a little sleeper opportunity. And I'm talking about Nexus Rewards, right? Why Nexus Rewards is so dope is because it's in a industry that appeals to the masses, right? Because Nexus Rewards is all about cash back and savings. It's all about being able to show people how to save money while actually earning money at the same time. And what makes Nexus Rewards cool is that when you get people to join Nexus Rewards, you get $10 commissions, right? But you get $10 monthly recurring commissions. So just break it down like this. You get 100 people. You set a goal. I just want to get 100 people in Nexus Rewards, right? You're going to be earning $1,000 a month straight up. Now, that's not including what the people that you bring in. That's not including what those people bring in, right? Because Nexus Rewards is another one of those hybrid affiliate marketing / network marketing. So not only are you going to earn a $10 commission from each person that you bring in, you're going to get tons of extra money from the people that they bring in and they bring in. You know how that works, right? So in my opinion, I'm like, you know, I'm a member of Nexus Rewards. I'm making money with Nexus Rewards. And I know everybody talking about live good, including myself. But I'm like, I ain't gonna lie. People, they sleeping on it, because if, for example, you got 100 people into live good, that's dope, because you're going to earn that $25 upfront commission with live good, which is cool. But that next month, if nobody on your live good team does absolutely anything at all, then your next monthly check is going to be $25, right? $25. So think about that. And over here at Nexus Rewards, if you got 100 people, your second month, you're going to have another $1,000 and another $1,000, right? So, I mean, like I said, live good is fire, but Nexus Rewards is fire too. It's just not getting that buzz that live good is getting. All right. So if you want to check out Nexus Rewards for yourself, I'll put a link obviously in the description and in the comment section. And if you haven't heard of live good for whatever reason, check that out as well, and you can compare the two for yourself. And I'm sure you're going to want to jump on one of these opportunities, if not both. But let me say one more damn thing, all right, before this video is over. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, whatever company you decide to rock with, right? If you are serious about making money online, making that income, passive income, building teams and all that, please be ready to put some work in. Please take Nexus Rewards or live good. Please treat them like a real business. Put the energy in that you would if you was, you know, in college trying to get a degree, or you're trying to build your own brick and mortar business. Give these opportunities that effort and you will be successful. Be prepared to put in some work, right? And then you will see the benefits, all right? Straight up, that's real talk. So check out them opportunities. Both of them are in the description and in the comment section. And I will see you in the next video.